Welcome to Byte-Sized Tech. So, Apple's 2025 launch week, wow, it has been a total whirlwind of headlines, a few surprises, and honestly a couple of headaches. Let's dive in and sort through it all.
The new iPhone 17 series and the impossibly thin iPhone Air have officially landed. But, as the dust starts to settle, a really fascinating story is coming out. One of surprising strength and, well, some pretty unexpected weaknesses. So what is really going on with Apple's latest and greatest?
And that really brings us to the main event of this whole launch week. This incredible contrast between Apple's two brand new flagship phones. It's a story about materials, design choices, and some very different first impressions.
Okay, so the whole story really boils down to this surprising swap in materials. On one hand, you've got the brand new iPhone Air built with a super rugged titanium frame. But then, on the other side, the premium iPhone 17 Pro has actually switched away from titanium to an aluminum unibody. And let me tell you, that change is causing a stir.
I mean, just to put this into perspective, the new iPhone Air is an unbelievable 5.6 millimeters thin. That is the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever made. You'd think a phone this slender would be, super delicate, but you would be very, very wrong.
And of course, the internet, people immediately started trying to break this thing, and it is proving to be remarkably tough. Durability tests are showing it surviving just extreme pressure. We're talking up to 130 pounds, all thanks to that strong titanium frame and Apple's new, more shatter-resistant ceramic glass too.
But the story for the iPhone 17 Pro is completely different. Early adopters and reporters are unboxing their shiny new premium phones, only to find a very unwelcome surprise, which is leading to comments just like this one.
Yep, they're already calling it Scratchgate 2025. It seems that new aluminum unibody on the Pro models is just much more prone to scratching, especially on the darker colors like deep blue. People are even reporting that their MagSafe chargers are leaving circular marks on the back. It is just such a stark contrast to the toughness of its super thin sibling.
All right, so let's switch gears from the hardware to the software. Because that same theme, some welcome features mixed with frustrating flaws, it absolutely continues with the new iOS 26.
So first up, the good stuff. iOS 26 has some really slick new lock screen customizations. You can now easily change up the font and the color of the clock, add some actually useful widgets, and even create this cool depth effect with your photos. It's a really simple, fun way to make your phone feel brand new again.
But here's where it gets complicated. If you're planning on heading to an Apple store to trade in your old iPhone for a new one, you might find yourself just stuck, waiting around for an hour. And it's all because of a new security feature.
So this feature is called Stolen Device Protection, and for the most part, it's brilliant. It's designed to stop a thief from locking you out of your account if your phone and passcode get stolen. But here's the unintended consequence. If you aren't in a familiar location, like your home or office, it forces a 1-hour security delay before you can turn off Find My to do a trade-in. And unfortunately, the Apple Store itself doesn't count as a trusted location.
So, the crucial point here, the big takeaway, is to plan ahead. To avoid getting stuck at the store for an hour, just remember to turn off Find My while you're still at a trusted location, like your house, before you leave. It's a super simple fix for what could be a very frustrating problem.
Okay, so with all the launch week drama covered, what does the future hold for Apple? Let's take a quick peek at their pretty busy product roadmap for the next couple of years.
And let me tell you, the pipeline is packed. Before this year is even over, we're expecting to see M5-powered MacBook Pros and the long-awaited AirTags 2. Then, looking into 2026, we could see a new budget iPhone 17e, plus the second-generation Vision Pro, which is rumored to have a powerful new R2 chip. And then even further down the line, redesigned AirPods Max are apparently slated for 2027.
So there you have it, the story of Apple's 2025 launch. A real tale of unexpected durability, surprising fragility, and a look at a very, very busy future. It really all begs the question on this slide. With everything we know that's coming, which future Apple product are you most excited for? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.